Okay, test of cell phone camera on tripod.
Good morning. My name is Kim.
Okay. Allison.
Good morning. Talking to your mic.
Karen.
This is Karen.
Good morning. Matt is my friend.
Haha. Okay. And this is the projection screen. Pardon my tripod work. Okay. And could we turn the lights down just a little bit? All right. And could you click the second tab and the third tab? There's the agenda. Could you enlarge the agenda for us, please? There you go. Thank
Where's your
you.
mind? Well, you know what? This is how bad the screen is from the angle.
And Cindy, could you click that tab and play a video so we get audio and video?
It is almost June, which means teachers are either on their well-deserved summer break or getting ready to be on their well-deserved summer break. I just wanted to remind all the teachers of the world something. I'm not on summer break.